Now, let's suppose that we need to clean this data and make some arrangements on it. So the first thing we need to do is uh, see how the data was built. So uh, as you see, there are some commas at the end of the register. So we are going to clean this with Control Shift and arrow down, delete, and we are going to divide this because this information comes from a CSV file. So the first thing we choose data, text in columns, delimited with commas, and it shows you a preview of the information. Next, in this case is general information, but we can select date or text if we want it. For example, this is an order date. This is not a number that we are going to make some operations with it. So we can choose text and select finish. It will divide the information, but this row in will be text. This is not a number, and you can recognize it because of this green item that you see here. I'm going to try to show you this one. This one shows that this is not a number, that's a text. After that, we are going to clean some special issues with the function trim. As you can see, there are some registers that have some spaces, and for that we are going to use the function trim to cut all the white spaces in the data. So we are going to copy this and we are going to call the function trim. Trim cut all the white spaces at the beginning and at the end of the cell, but not in the mid, not in between. So we are going to use it and we will see how it works. Let's go to down. In this case, this is the column E. Let's refill the information. Let's use some autofill and copy the formula and use it for all others. So as you can see, there is a difference between this product and this product because it removed all the white spaces. And that's how you clean your data in a matter of minutes or seconds.